This first is alif, it's empty, okay, and after that which letter we have lam, okay, and on lam which sign is madda sign. Madda means madda Arabic word, and madda means stretching, okay. When will come this sign top of the any letter, then we will stretch that 3 to 4 seconds. Lam, lam. I think you understand.
Yeah,
Which explain it, please.
it's a stretching. So you say alif lam mim.
Okay, don't touch the meme. I will explain after that meme, inshallah. But lam, focus on the lam first. Which sign
Alif
name top when we, this lam sign top of the lam? Which sign? Tell me name. That madda
mud
sign. Madda means
mud.
madda Arabic word, and Arabic word madda means a stretch, and this means stretch. When will come this sign top of the end letter, then we'll stretch that letter. Lam was empty, but when will come this sign top of the lam, then now we are reading lam, no, lam, okay, yeah, explain it, please.
Alif lam
Which name of sign?
madda
Madda sign. When will come this
madda.
sign top of the any letter, then you will stretch that letter 3 to
Right.
4 seconds. Okay.
Yeah.
Lam. Okay. Next one we have meme. Meme without any sign. When will come this meme? We will read it meme. But same sign are coming top of the meme. What sign? It's mother sign also.
Madda
Madda
sign.
sign, and we will stretch this meme to 3 to 4 seconds. Read it now.
Mim.
Okay, meme. But new sign also on top of the meme. It's W style sign. That's shadda sign.
Mm-hmm.
Shadda means gripping sign. When will come this sign? W style sign top of the end letter, then we will grip on the letter. Meme was simple. Now meme. Meme, no. Simple. Meme, no. But meme, grip with your lips. Meme, gripping. We are gripping. Why? Its answer, because this sign, W style sign, gripping sign coming. It's
Mm-hmm.
two names of this W style sign. One name W style sign, second name shadda sign. Shadda means grip, okay, yeah, hard. Shadda means hardness, okay, hard. Meme, it's grip. And stretching also 3 to 4 seconds. With grip, with stretching. Read it please now. Meme. Read it.
Mim.
Avoid the stretching.
Mim.
Avoid the stretching. First, my question: why you are doing this? Why?
Because I'm grip.
Gripping sign coming. W style sign. Shut the sign. Okay. It's with sign, and we're stretching. Why? Because same letter with the before letter and this letter. Okay, before on top of the before letter and on top of this letter, mother sign, same pronouncing, same rule, and new sign which W style sign, shadda sign, gripping sign. Okay, alif. How we will read it? Alif first sign. Alif is empty. Alif is empty. Alif. Follow me.
Alif.
Uh, Next, alif
lam,
lam.
mim,
No, lam. You follow me.
lam,
Follow me first. Alif
alif,
lam lam.
alif, lam, mim,
Meme, no. Meme. Grip.
alif, lam,
Only focus on the meme now. Okay. Now focus on the meme only. Read it meme with signs rule. Hmm?
mim,
Meme? Okay, you are stretching. Good. You are following the rule of madda, stretching sign. Okay. But you are not using the grip sign, W style sign. Use also in the grip. Meme.
mim,
I will read you, listen to me only. I will use W style sign also and Madda sign also. But rule use I am using. You listen to me. Meme. 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 Now your turn.
mim,
Hmm.
mim,
Why are you
mim,
gripping?
because of the shadda.
Shadda sign, hard sign, W style sign. Okay, yeah, don't forget this sign shape. Okay, we are starting this again. Alif, I am using all rules. I am reading with all rules. Inshallah, you listen to me. After that, your turn. Alif, lam, mim. Now your turn.
Alif, lam, mim.
Nice. Gripping practice required some. Okay, we will touch next letter now. Next one, you'll start.
Alif, lam, mim, صاد.
Allahu Akbar. Say Allahu Akbar. MashaAllah. Without teaching, without my explanation, you are reading my nice. MashaAllah. I think you already this finish before some months. I think.
No, I don't remember.
Okay, MashaAllah.
Maybe.
Nice. Okay, no problem. Please, next one. Nice. Good.
Is the symbol over the. I forgot that one.
Oh, same. Raw. Raw. Okay. Next letter is we have Alif Lam Ra. Okay. Alif is empty. Alif. And Lam, you know. Okay. Lam. Lam. And now new sign. Top of the Ra.
Ra.
Okay. Ra. Ra.
Ra.
Ra have
Rosh.
Ra. Top of the Ra. Standing fatah. Fatah. Okay. Standing fatah. Okay. Standing fatah is a rule 2 second 1 to 2 seconds stretch. When will come top of the any letter this standing fatah, then you will read that letter, you will stretch that letter 1 to 2 seconds. Ra. 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 Half of the mada sign, top of the lam. Half you use stretching. Okay, half stretching using this standing fatha. What name is thine?
Alif Lam standing fatha.
Top of the ra, which sign?
Standing fatha.
Standing fatha, standing fatha, standing fatha. Okay, standing fatha rule 1 to 2 seconds long stretch. Okay, ra, alif, lam, ra, ra, ra. I
Ra.
I hope you understand. Please repeat it. Alif lam ra.
Alif Ra.
Again.
Alif Lam Ra.
Raw, stretch it raw some 1 to 2 seconds stretch. You are not stretching the raw.
Ra.
Nice. Half of madda sign, half stretching using this. Okay, next one please.
Alif Lam Mim Ra.
Again.
Alif Lam Mim Ra.
MashaAllah, nice, intelligent. MashaAllah, la quwwata illa billah. Barakallah feek. Next one. I am reading. You listen to me first. كاف ها يا عين صاد كاف ها يا عين صاد. Now your turn.
Kaf Ha Ya Ain Sa.
صاد. MashaAllah, la quwwata illa billah. MashaAllah. Next one please.
Ta.
طه. MashaAllah. Okay, next.
Ta. Sin. Mim.
One sign, W style sign, also top of the meme. Use that rule.
Ta.
Oh, very, you are very stretching the to. Why?
Yeah, I did that. I did that wrong.
Mm.
Ta. Sin. Mim.
MashaAllah, grip. Nice. Some practicing required in grip. Okay, but MashaAllah, you are reading good. Good try, MashaAllah. Next one please.
Ta. Sin.
Tasin. MashaAllah. Next.
Ya. Sin.
MashaAllah. Continue.
Sa.
Sad.
Sad.
Continue. Keep going.
Ha. Mim. Ha. Mim.
Ha, you are not stretching the ha.
Ha. Mim.
Ha, 1 to 2 seconds. Stretch the ha.
Okay.
Yeah, standing fatha coming.
Ha.
Ha.
Mim.
Ha.
Ha. Mim.
Hmm.
Ha. Mim.
Hmm. Next.
Ha. Mim.
Next one.
Ain. Sin. Qaf.
Bold cough. Okay, next.
Qaf. Noon.
Mashallah. From the beginning, one time again. After that, inshallah, we are finished this. Nice reading.
Alif Lam Mim. Alif Lam Mim Sad.
Good.
Alif Lam Ra.
Good.
Alif Lam Mim Ra.
Good.
Qaf. Ya. Ain. Sad.
Mashallah.
Taha. Ta. Sa. Sin. Mim.
Mashallah. Nice.
Ta. Sin. Ya. Sin. Sad. Ha. Mim. Ha. Mim.
Mashallah.
Ain. Sin. Qaf. Qaf. Noon.
Mashallah, la quwwata illa billah. Nice, nice understanding. Allahu Akbar. We will continue new lesson tomorrow, inshallah. Okay, mashallah. Good, good, very good, nice. Alhamdulillah.
Lam. Alif. Lam. Alif. And then ha.
Second line, third letter, lam ha.
Is the purple one alif?
First is lam and black is ha. Purple is lam and black is ha.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay. Lam, alif, ba, lam, ba, ka,
Yeah.
ba, ka, ba, ka, alif, ba, ka, ta, ka, tha, ba, ta, noon, ya, ba, alif, noon, alif, ta, alif, ya, alif, tha, alif, ba, sin, ya, sin, noon, sin, ta, sin, tha, sin, fa, ja,
Sajim.
ta, Tha Jim
Hmm.
Ta Ha
Nice. Next one. Next page.
Nun Kha
Nun kho.
Nun Kha Ya Ha Ba Jim Ya Mim Nun Ba Mim
Ba meme. Purple is ba and black is meme. Ba meme. Okay.
Nun Mim Ta Mim Tha Mim Nun
Noon,
Ta Ya
noon have upper dot, but in this bottom dot.
So Ba
Ba,
Ya
ba, yeah, nice.
Ya Ya
Uh,
Nun Ya Ta Ya Tha Ya Nun Ba Lim
lam.
Lam Ta Nun Lam
Hmm.
Ba Ya Lam
Hmm.
Ya Ta Lam Tha Lam Nun Ba Nun Ba Nun Nun Ta Ya Nun Ya Ta Nun Tha Nun Jim Ha
Hmm.
Kha Ha Tha Kha Ba Jim Ta Ha Ta Ya Jim Ba
Nice.
Lam
Hmm.
Lam
First is black, and second green. Hmm.
Jim
First is black.
No
First black is ba. Ba have one dot
Oh
bottom side. Ba black
I see now
first. Hmm. Next one is kho. Bold kho.
Ba Kha Ta
Hmm.
Ta Ha
Hmm.
Ba Ta
Hmm.
Ha Ta Ra
Taha. It's a ha shape. Different shape.
Ta Ha Nun Ta
Hmm.
Ha Ya Ha Ba Nun
Mm-hmm.
Ha Alif
Ba no. Noon have upper dot, but in this bottom dot.
Oh Ba Ha Alif
Noon have one dot but upper side. Ba have also one dot but bottom side. It's ba.
I said Ba
Hmm. Nice. Good.
Ba Ha Alif
Hmm.
Ba Ha Mim
Hmm.
Da
Dal.
Dal Zal
Hmm.
Jada
Jim dal. Okay. Jim dal.
Dal Kha Zal
Nice.
Za
Za.
Jim
Zag. Nice.
Kha Nun
Mm-hmm. Za. Kho za.
Oh Kha Za
Hmm. Next one.
hold on الشيطان الرجيم Ra Za Ya Ra
Hmm.
Ta Ya Sin Sheen.
Again start this.
Seen.
Okay. Again start this page.
Huh?
Again start this page from the Raza. Before 4 letters. Raza.
Raza. Yara. Taza. Seen. Sheen. Seen lam. Sha lam.
Sheen lam. Okay.
Sa da.
Hmm.
Ta za.
Hmm.
Seen.
Mm-hmm.
Sa
Swad
ba.
ba.
Sad ba.
Swad ba. Okay.
Ta ba. Da alif.
Dad alif. Okay.
Dad alif. Za alif.
Nice.
Hen qin.
Hmm.
Hamza.
Hmm.
Hen za.
Ain za. Good.
Za. Qin ra.
Hmm.
Sa kha.
Swad ain.
Oh, sad ghain.
Hmm.
Dad ghain.
Nice.
Ba gha da.
Mm-hmm.
Ta
Mm-hmm.
ghain.
No. Before.
Ba
Mm-hmm.
ghain. Ba hen
Mm-hmm.
dad.
Good. Dad and dal.
Dal. Dal.
Hmm.
Dal.
Okay.
Ta ghain zal.
Good.
Hamza alif. Ha.
Hamza alif.
Hamza wa.
Nice.
Hamza ya.
Nice.
Fa.
Good.
Qa.
Qaf. Nice.
Wa qaf wa. Fa wa.
Nice.
Wow. Fa qaf la.
Nice. Good.
Qaf fa la.
Good.
Ya fa.
Good.
Mim.
Hmm.
Mim. Ha mim.
Good.
La mim. Ta mim. Ta mim ta.
Nice. MashaAllah. La quwwata illa billah. Next one, please.